Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today what we're going to be looking at is another speaker from our Z-Series range, and this is the Z5CXi 5.25 inch coaxial speaker. So these are a brand new range that we have that are an upgrade on the old Z-Series coaxial speakers. New styling, new design. If you take a look at the box, we have all the information in regards to the power. So we have 35 watts RMS, 140 watts peak. Gives us our size 5.25 inch or 130 millimeters in size. We flip it over. We also then have our dimensions. So if you need any technical specifications to see where they need to fit, see if you've got the correct depths and all the dimensions, that's there on the back. So let's open them up and have a look inside. So first thing we have, of course, is our manual. And the manual here is for the full Z-Series coaxial range. So we have all technical specification for all the models in the range, some installation instructions and some drawings of how to install the speaker. So let's have a look at one of the speakers themselves. Now, of course, they come as a pair, and a coaxial speaker contains both a tweeter and a mid-range, both in one. So let's have a look at what we get. So we have our grill, which contains the grill, and the gasket is a separate. So how these are fitted are, the gasket is fitted from the back, speaker goes through, and then the grill is fitted on top. So that's if you want to use that in a position where the speaker is on display. If you're using this in an OEM installation, you can simply use the speaker on its own. So this here is the 5.25 inch speaker. So we have a stamped steel basket with a nice ferrite magnet on there as well. We have a brand new design polypropylene cone, which if you can just see here is in this nice black brushed metal effect. We have a butyl rubber surround, so combined with the PP cone gives you a nice warm depth to the sound. We also then have our 25mm overall dimension tweeter in the center, which comes with a capacitor on the side there to limit the low frequencies that pass through the tweeter. So that there is the 5.25 inch Z-Series Z5CXi from Phoenix Gold unboxed.